Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. It's alright, Dan, you're alright, don't worry. Wow. Oh my God.
Bring it around slowly towards your back. Please be careful. Be careful. Please. Bring your other hand towards me. Bring your other hand towards me.
He's just had operation.
Be careful, please. At the moment, you're safe and searching for. Right. We'll roll you up onto your side.
Oh my God.
Right, he's secure. Right, bring your legs up.
Oh my God.
Yeah, go for it, mate. Right, I'm going to sit you up onto your bum now. Push your man shoulder. Sit you up onto your bum.
Go on, Dan, you're alright, Dan. You're alright, Dan.
At the moment, listen.
Yeah, I got your phone.
Pointed out, potentially being involved in a robbery and fire.
No way.
For a search for that, okay? Doesn't mean you've done anything to be someone convicted and pointed out to you. Might be a mistake on
My God, my God.
That's fine. Please see hard enough for me to police station, alright? I'm going to get you up to your feet, alright? And everyone just step back and give us a run.
Yeah, I'm his mother-in-law. I'm going to stay right here. I'm his mother-in-law.
That's right, that's right. Come up, onto your knee. Gonna roll you up onto
Yeah.
your knee, okay? Up onto your knee. Sit, stand up. Right, just want to do something. It might be that person is pointing up totally the wrong person.
Absolutely.
I'm a black man. I'm a girl man. The victim. Why are we doing this? This is so embarrassing. The person who has been robbed with a gun has pointed to it. That's why I'm stopping. I didn't make you point up. No one made this thing up.
Wow. Daniel, just relax. Just relax, Dan.
Because I've been put on the floor, right? It's offensive. So I can say on the thing, putting you on the floor means that we don't have any other things, isn't it? It means no one hits you, no one kills you, no one hurts you. But I've watched that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm explaining my colleagues in my inaction. I'm just trying to be reasonable.
Dan.
Make sure you do you have any control over this? But I'm not sticking with it. Yeah, okay, anything other than that, anything from what's up today, no trouble. Just going to keep that there because I need to do every person I stop is giving me a call. I'm not disputing. So I'm saying if I just watch that person get shoved on the floor.
Daniel, just calm down. Just calm down. Just come down for an MOT. This is ridiculous. Oh my goodness. It's alright, you're going to be alright. You're going to be alright, don't worry.
If you've got an MPT, yeah, I'm just going to put the joint down. So if it's as I think it is and it's not you, in a minute they'll be coming off.
Wow, my Lord. Wow, this is serious. Come all the way from south, all the way from Croydon to see this. This is outrageous. And here's my son-in-law being arrested, being questioned, and want to know if he's got firearms on him. Yeah, I'm his mother-in-law.
You know what I said the other day? I've never been arrested or put in handcuffs in my entire life.
Well,
it's probably the most polite. Well, I know it's not nice having a gun with you. I appreciate that. Or being dealt with this manner. However, getting you on the floor means we don't have to give you punch you, kick you, kick that. It means you're doing what we're asking. It means we then just chin up and chills up. It's not nice and that's wet. That's why we do that. All we're doing is leaving the everything this right. Now he's had a block. I did face that his thought. Rage. So there's potentially going to be something from the person saying it was you and it was. However, I'm going to firm that up and see us.